All right, and so, here we see the utility of the thermodynamic squares. And we see that if we write it in the correct order, we could derive all of the fundamental equations and Maxwell relations that we want. But the critical thing here is you got to write the correct order of the thermodynamic square. Okay? And so, just as a mnemonic, for the order that you need to write the thermodynamic square in, there are a couple of different ones. Okay? And so the mnemonics are going to depend on if you use F for the Helmholtz or if you use A. Okay? And so in the event that you use F for your Helmholtz variable, the mnemonic that you would use to remember what order to draw it is, you would write, or you'd just have to remember this sentence. So, good physicists have studied under very fine teachers. Okay? Where, of course, here you have Gibbs, pressure, enthalpy, entropy, internal energy, volume, and Helmholtz. Right? And so then just draw your arrows going up. Okay? So that's one mnemonic, and it's a very cheerful mnemonic to remember. There's another mnemonic if you use the letter A for Helmholtz. Okay? And for this mnemonic, the sentence that you can remember is this: vodka and tequila usually give severe head pain. Okay. Of course, the first letters represent the different thermodynamic variables. If Spanish is your first language, there's another mnemonic that you could use. Okay? And so this one would be una verdadera función thermodinámica guarda premisas hondamente simples, or something like that. Right? In any case, these are all mnemonics that are good to kind of remember for writing your thermodynamic square in the correct order.